Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this Dome Shield AOE effect in UE5 Niagara. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, and comment. And let's start this tutorial. So let's start this effect, and for that let's create a map first, or we can use the map from my previous tutorial. So yesterday I created this tutorial. So it has this dark character and this gray map, so we can use that. This is my last tutorial's map. Okay. So I'll just duplicate this map to my AOE FX, copy, and then I'll open it from here and I'll delete this FX. So we have just the character, that black character, and this is the idle animation. Okay. And then this gray thing. Okay. So let's start the FX. So first I'll create a material M ring again. And this ring I want to like wipe out in a radial form. So let's say you have a ring or you have a texture, or maybe you are making with knots.